Hello, in this video we will learn how to develop a directed graph. As here in this question we have S and R. We know this thing that S, A, B, C, D is the set of vertices or the nodes in the directed graph, and R is basically a binary relation between two nodes or two vertices, or we can say that R is a set of edges between two nodes. So first of all, as we know this thing that S is a set of nodes, so first of all we draw the nodes or the vertices. The other name is vertices. Okay. Now from this R, that is the binary relation. Binary relation means there are two nodes involved in this relation. So first pair says this thing that node from edge from A to A. So we draw in this way, A to A. Then B to B. It's mean directed arrow from node B to B. So this is inflow and outflow, both are towards B node. Here inflow and outflow both are towards node A. Similarly here C to C. A to B, it's mean outflow towards B and inflow in B. And then A to C. So directed graph towards A to C. Then B to C. So this is B node and from B to C. So this is the directed graph for the set S and R. Now the other part of this question says that we need to make this directed graph using JFLAP. Okay, so JFLAP, as we know earlier, that this is a Java tool available for the automatas, and we can make good directed graph here. So here this is the JFLAP. First of all, you need to install this. If you have not already installed this, I have another video, you can see that video, and then click here on finite automata, and then using the information here in this question, we need to draw a directed graph. So as first of all, you need to click here on this circle. This is the state creator, and we have 4 states A, B, C, D. Now click here on the arrow, and then now right click here and set the name. As this is A, right click, set name, it is B. Right click, set name, it is C. Right click, set name, it is D. Okay, now these names are changed. Then the next step is that we have do this thing that S, A, B, C, D, all 4 nodes or vertices are drawn here. Now the next step is to draw the edges or the arrows or the arcs, okay, between two nodes. So the first is from A to A. So first of all, we need to click here on the arrow or transition creator. Then we need to click inside this circle A, and then here we need to give something like, suppose I say 1. Okay, and again, so it's mean 1 is coming from A and going also in A. Okay, now here the next thing, B to B and C to C. Okay, so the next from B to B, and here maybe suppose I say 1, and C to C. So maybe suppose I say 1. Okay, so now the next directed graph, they say A to B. These 3 edges we have drawn. Now A to B. Now what we will do, first we need to click here on A and then on B. I think it was maybe 1. A to B, yes. Then A to C and B to C. Then again A to C. Then A to C to D. The last one is B to C. Sorry, B to C. So first click here inside B, then don't release the mouse button. Keep press the mouse button and release here when you will come inside the circle of C, and then you can label it. Okay. So now this is the directed graph that we have made here manually, but now it is here in JFLAP. So if you have any query, you may ask. If you do anything wrong, you can click here and maybe you can delete in this way. Okay, just you need to click, so that will be related. But okay, this is here. Suppose we have done this, and if you want to make any label change or anything, you can right click here and you can do any change from the this, rename the states or add notes and display state labels or whatsoever. Now file, save, and here you will give the name, any name, and you will save the file. Thank you.